So in this video, I'm just going to show you what is LinkedIn Sales Navigator is all about. So I'll just give you an introduction about what is LinkedIn Sales Navigator and why and where you can utilize it. For all those who are very new to Sales Navigator, it is nothing but advanced sales tool which you can just use to generate your leads as well as to reach out to them over LinkedIn. So LinkedIn reportedly have more than 500 million subscribers on internet. That means almost all the serious professionals on internet have a LinkedIn profile. So if you are into B2B or B2C and if you try to make some business online, I would say social selling, that is where you can just utilize LinkedIn. Now, when you're using the basic package or the basic account of LinkedIn, you will not get a lot of features available for social selling. So for that, we have a premium account from LinkedIn that is known as LinkedIn Sales Navigator. This is a premium account. You just have to subscribe for it. So per month you have to just pay for it. And then once you have that tool, it is very useful for your sales. So when you're trying to just perform social selling, you just need a tool like LinkedIn Sales Navigator, using which we can just search for millions of professionals on LinkedIn or have a profile on LinkedIn network, and then you can just reach out to them. So I can just see from my LinkedIn profile, I have an option here to LinkedIn Sales Navigator. You may not have it if you are not subscribed for LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So that taking me to the home page of LinkedIn Sales Navigator for me. So I can see the option over here, home. That's where I'm just get all this option. On the left hand side, I can see there are some filters for my updates. The most important updates are I can see here from my connections. Yeah, I can see here. I have the option to just message them directly because they are my connections. So you can see that the email option is open up for me so that I can just send them a message. And then I can see a most recent update I can see from here. And then by types, I can select sales alert. I don't have any based on the sales preference I have set up. Then I can just see the job changes for the connection that I have made. I can see users from my leads, news from my accounts which I have connected with. And then I can just filter out organization based on what I have just saved them in my saved searches. I can just see my top accounts. So Microsoft mentioned in the news, and then I can just see Microsoft again mentioned in news because I have 7 leads are saved who are from this corporation. So I can just see that. So I can search based on the organization which I am following. So I can see all this option on the left hand side. Okay, news from leads and accounts shared from my leads. Overall, my leads have been sharing. So leads means the inquiries or the people I am just following up so that I can just generate some business from them in the future. These are set of leads. So then I can see here list under which I can see my network. This is nothing but my LinkedIn network. Then I can see, so here you'll be able to see my complete LinkedIn network, 4070 to be precise. That many connection I have, and I can see them and their profile here. And I can see 186 of them changed their jobs in last 90 days. And 1,670 of them has leads with team link intro. That's a feature from LinkedIn Sales Navigator again, using which I can just connect through my teammates. And then I have the options here available, lead list. So I can just make a list of leads as well as accounts. So this is a list of leads I have, which I have different names like Power BI leads, Dynamic CRM development training, prospects, SharePoint architect, etc. So I got some 41 leads got saved. So this is a basic lead list I have. So here is a list of leads as well as account. Then under discover, I have recommended leads. So based on my searching history and the criteria that I have used before, the system will show me a list of leads. So 200 of them. So by looking at their profile, I'll be able to understand that, okay, I have done similar searches in the past. The system identified those searches and then show me a list of recommended leads as well as accounts. And I can set my sales preferences over here. That means when I'm just performing a search, what are the different criteria I just need to use normally, or I would say like the filters. So here I have sales preferences based on geographies, industry, company size, and etc. So I have set up, which I can just change. That's what I need to set up. So my recommended leads as well as accounts also affected by sales preferences that I have set. And finally, we have an admin option here. This is majorly for the teams. If you have LinkedIn Sales Navigator team license, then we can just manage the licenses for yourself as an admin as well as to your teammates. That's where you get these options. So if you're just having Sales Navigator, Sales Professional subscription, you may not have this option. So here I can see the usage reporting. It is showing me my team's average SSI, social selling index, my team members. You can see here daily active users, and then top team members, saved leads, accounts saved, all this kind of information I can see here. How much this account and the license has been utilized by myself as well as my teammates. That's what I can see here. I can also download this report, usage reporting, as a CSV as well. Then I have seat management. That's where I can just manage my licenses for my teammates. So 6 seats that we have purchased. The rest of the information I can see here. So I can just basically assign as well as revoke the license for my teammates. And finally, admin settings, where we have option just to integrate Sales Navigator with Dynamics 365, which I'm just talking about in another video. And then also the billing information I can see here, my account information, Dynamics CRM synchronization settings, email and message settings, team link, point drive, all these features and setting I can just see here. I come back to my home, and then here I can just see my social selling index. So basically, the higher the SSI, the better you can sell. So SSI is basically calculated across 4 pillars of social selling. So we'll be talking about that in another video again. And you can see that 34 people have viewed my profile in last 7 days. That is very less. So when I'm using say LinkedIn Sales Navigator, I have the option to see the list of all the people who have viewed my profile. You can see that the week of May 31st, some 142 people have viewed my profile. And in last 90 days, 418 people have viewed my profile. I can see them, where they are from, what is their profile, all that information I have to see. So in the basic LinkedIn account, you will be able to see only a few of the record that you can see based on the views I have done on you. But here you can just see unlimited. So that is pretty much this list of options that we have with LinkedIn Sales Navigator. We'll be producing more videos on Sales Navigator. I hope this video was useful for you to learn something. And if you have any comments or suggestions, just put that in the comment box below. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.